Erizuba akakiiko k'ishengyero aha nshonga z'amabaati bawoganaho Enganzi Nabbanja nk'omwe mu barikugambwaho kuba batwire aha mabaati agabire gari g'okuza omuri Karamoja okuhwera abantu bokwe.
I received information about the mismanagement of iron sheets before anybody in this country.
Ogu yagira ngu amabaati agu yatwire gakaba gatari ga Karamoja bitu gakaba gari ag'ebigwerezi.
But to our surprise, and then the surprise of some of the ministers also, that they got a call from the minister from Karamoja. They wrote a letter to you requesting for the iron seats, but they were surprised that the minister for Karamoja gave them a call that their iron seat is ready. They can pick it from the store. And so we were also wondering how.
Karenga did not get any iron seat from the supplementary budget, so no any other district, according to our findings.
Ogu nagira ngu enshonga ezi zitakagire mu mahure zikabanza omu ofisi ye kandi ngu taine mukono omu kwiba kw'amabaati aga.
The first requisition was of 10,000 iron sheets, and that was in June 2022. And the second requisition of 12,200 iron sheets was this year early. However, we established from the stores that part of these iron sheets requisitioned for delivery to Karamoja sub-region were instead allocated by Honorable Kitutu to some leaders from other parts of the country other than Karamoja.
Okurijera Enganzi Nabbanja hina bariyo nibamujweka uruhu rw'embuzi okumurisa engwe.
To me, this investigation is leaving me stronger than how I was before, because now I know all these tricks.
Nabwanyuma yagaruka yagira ngu amabaati ga Karamoja nigabasa kugaruzibwaho obwe barukukoresa ago agabire gari ag'ebigwerezi.
As you are aware, investigations have been ongoing. I request that investigating officers, when they are still investigating, it's not good for them to share information before it is concluded, as it diverts the public.
Akakiiko nikija kuvuganaho abandi ba minisita abatwire amabaati aga abarumo Right Honorable Yareebekaho hamwe n'abandi. Amakuru agagasha kwa Jimmy Muhumuza.